फुडें जालें तें
आपले कितले पर्सेंटेज
जालां न्ही फूल स्ट्रक्चर रेडी आहा आतां फिनिशिंग चालू जातलें बेगीन
so by when it will be
should be before the elections it should be fully ready and also it's the MOU is there which has been also it's on the direction of Honorable Prime Minister we have undertaken this MOU with Tata Memorial means we had taken he has also congratulated the state of Goa which is a very big thing because this project has come only because of him and both the Chief Minister and myself are pursuing and seeing that it is completed on a war footing गरज आहा ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आनी तुमकां पयलीं सांगलेलें गॅप एनालिसिसाची स्टडी केन्नाय येतली and then they will help us with additional funds.
so last finishing that म्हणला आता
फिनिशिंग चालू केलें न्ही त्यांनी स्ट्रक्चर फुल रेडी आहे 7 काय 8 फ्लोर्स रेडी आहे यू कॅन गो अनदर फ्लोर अप बट एट द मोमेंट इट इज structured for about 8 floors.
So before elections?
Should be, that's our target to see, because people from Goa should not go to Bombay to take treatment. They should take treatment within the state of Goa. So that hospital is very crucial for us.
So there was a need of